We are going to discuss about the topic teamwork skills. The definition of teamwork skills is simple: the ability of team members to work well together in every situation and empathize with each other. Teamwork skills also include the ability to be mature enough to agree to disagree when needed. Focus on and contribute to team goals, not individual ones. जो टीम के मेंबर होते हैं, वो अपने काम को अच्छे से साथ में करते हैं। हर सिचुएशन में एक दूसरे की सहानुभूति के साथ। जो टीम का गोल्स है उसमें अपना योगदान देना चाहिए। अब आप जो स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हो कैसे एम्प्लॉइज अपनी एक टीम बनाकर अपना वर्क कर रहे हैं and company fast growing, so this is called teamwork. Examples of teamwork skills: communication, leadership, problem solving, active listening, decision making, collaboration, creativity, time management, critical thinking, negotiation, social skills, meditation, respect. Thank you.